Hello everyone. The expected delivery date on e-commerce module will show the expected delivery date on the website page. Now let's get into the inventory and there we can add and delivery date on the each and every product form. So for that, let's get into one of the product. So from here user needs to add an customer lead time. So for example, I'm adding and delivery lead time as 5. Okay. So now let's save this one. Let's get back to the shop. Now let's refresh this page where you can see for this product I have added and delivery date for 5 days. So it is showing an expected delivery by Saturday. The date will be shown on the website form page. To restrict this, we need to enable an editor in the website form. Okay. If user needs to disable this on the website form page, user can make use of this. So by clicking on the edit where you can see an option under customization, you can see the delivery days. We need to disable this one. So this option will be disabled in the website form page. If needed, customer can easily enable this option right away. Here it will add and delivery days on the website form page. From this module, customer will get an idea when will be the expected date of delivery. In this way, we can make use of this module to show an expected delivery date on the website page. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about an inventory related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated inventory features that we have. Thanks for watching.